Is this even legal on the road? That's the first question everyone asks when they see this beast. 80 feet long and wrapped in glowing red chrome, this isn't just a truck. It's a rolling luxury mansion, fused with the soul of a Kenworth W900, and today, you're getting the full tour. Welcome to Engine Explorer, where horsepower meets high living. Let's get into it. From the moment this motorhome hits the highway, jaws drop. Up front, you've got the classic, aggressive face of the Kenworth W900, blacked out with mirror finish chrome, dual vertical exhaust stacks roaring like a freight train, and an extended sleeper cab that looks like it belongs to a private jet. But then your eyes follow the body, and keep following, until you realize this thing isn't hauling a trailer. The trailer is the destination. Wrapped in a red, high-gloss metallic finish, the aerodynamic body design cuts through air with sharp diagonal graphics in silver, black, and white. It's not just stylish, it's engineered for wind resistance at highway speeds. And every inch of its extended frame screams custom luxury and engineering muscle. Let's talk features. Because this motorhome is built like a billionaire's retreat. Slide-out panoramic windows on both sides give you wall-to-wall views. Tinted for privacy. Above, 3 satellite domes handle full-time connectivity, while the roof-mounted AC system keeps the climate controlled in any season. Hit the side door and electric steps slide out like something out of a spaceship. Inside, you're greeted with real hardwood floors, LED ambient lighting and a lounge area with leather recliners, a 75-inch OLED TV, and full smart home integration. Voice commands control everything from the lights to the blinds to the mood music. The kitchen is a gourmet setup. Stainless steel appliances, dual induction cooktops, and even a wine fridge. The bathroom rivals a 5-star hotel with marble counters, a rainfall shower, and heated floors. At the back, the master suite is the crown jewel. Queen-size bed, full walk-in closet, built-in vanity, and a private skylight above the bed. This isn't just RV luxury. This is private jet territory on wheels. Under the hood, the W900's heart is a Cummins X15 Performance Series engine, pushing over 605 horsepower in 2050 lb-ft of torque. Despite the size, it cruises smooth thanks to adaptive suspension and auto-leveling tech. It's a beast, but a refined one. So is it even legal? Technically, yes, barely. It's built within special transport regulations for custom motorhomes and oversized vehicles. You'll need a CDL and probably nerves of steel to drive it. But it turns every highway into your personal runway. This is more than transportation. It's a statement. A showpiece. A rolling flex that redefines what a motorhome can be. This is Engine Explorer. And this was the 2026 Kenworth W900 Luxury Motorhome. Catch you in the next one.